This is a 2010 Toyota Tundra. It has a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking rear differential, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch wheels, and much more. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, a 6-speaker audio system, automatic locking wheel hubs, a full-size spare tire, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 14,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Performance Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 906 Route 10 West in Randolph.